Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Our native plants have evolved in ways to deal with the hot summer months we have here in the desert Southwest. Unfortunately, not all the plants in our landscapes have these abilities, so we must give them supplemental irrigation to keep them alive and healthy. Using drip irrigation not only saves water by putting it exactly where it's needed, but also gets it deeper into the ground for larger root development. The key to summer watering is to wet the soil beyond the depth of the root system and then let the soil dry enough on the surface to get air to the roots as well. This is accomplished by slow, deep soaking with longer intervals in between watering. In order to water properly, you have to know how much water you are applying. With the fixed emitters of drip irrigation, you know exactly how much water is coming out for every hour you run the system. If a small plant needs about 1 gallon of water to saturate its root zone, then use a 1 gallon per hour dripper on it, or 2 half-gallon per hour emitters. If it's a larger 2 to 3 foot plant that needs 4 gallons per hour, then use a 4 gallon or 2 gallon per hour emitters. By estimating the size of the root ball underground, you can estimate how much water you should give it. If you water deep enough, there will be plenty of moisture to keep the plants alive for more than just one day. It is much more beneficial for most shrubs to be watered only 3 days a week for at least an hour than it is to water them every day for 20 minutes. And it's better to run the time all at once rather than splitting it up during the day like you would for lawn watering. You will be using the same amount of water, but you will be getting the water deeper into the ground so it will not evaporate as quickly. This slow, deep watering helps your plants to establish deeper, healthier root systems that can better handle the summer stress. Of course, newer plants, less than a year old, will need more frequent watering because their roots are still close to the surface and will dry out quicker. Also, shallow-rooted bedding plants and lawns will still need everyday watering this time of year. For more information on this topic, get a free copy of our Star Notes, number 905 and number 910, at any Star location or at starnursery.com. Your irrigation system is the most important gardening tool you have for the summer in the desert. Star Nursery is your local irrigation supply headquarters. We have the largest selection of sprinkler parts for any repairs or installation. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.